Alright, this is the one that I've done lots of testing with, so let's see what it sounds like. There we go. And that is exactly what these things are supposed to sound like. Nice and quiet, relatively to the Maxtor XT2190s that I work with on a regular basis. And all is well. If we watch that again from this side, we can watch, yeah, see that right there? That's the head arm position motor. And in this case, it is actually a motor instead of a voice coil, I believe. But let's open it up again here. So let's start it up again and see what happens. Alright, so watch this right here as it comes up to speed. Alright, so there it is. It's moving the head. And then we power it off, and it goes back into rest position off of the platters, or at least off of the data side of the platters. See that right there? And that's, now it's back to its home position. So that's the way these things are supposed to sound. So, knowing that, let's power this other one up here and see what we get. Wait till this one comes to a full rest. And there it is, full rest. I think that's just too tight in there. Just too snug. Alright. Now, we'll set this aside. And let's go with this one. Plug that into power. All right. Here we go. Let's give it a listen and see what happens. Here we go. Well, that's not quite as good. Certainly spins, but I'm not sure what that was doing. That doesn't look right to me, particularly when we're not connected to anything. Why it was fluttering like that. I think it's got a problem. That's not what that's supposed to do. It's almost like when it goes into position, it's, you know, might be making, I hear the motor, I hear the platters slow down some while it's doing that. So it's almost like it's getting some resistance over the platters, and that's, well, that's not a good thing. So we won't be doing that anymore. Okay, well, that's somewhat disappointing that this thing doesn't just hum right up. I'll have to give that some thought.